Hi everybody, Donna Salazar here. I almost have my voice all the way back, but at least you can understand what I'm saying now. I am doodling a face on the gel plate. This is a face I've been doodling since I was in high school, and for some reason I just really was in the mood to doodle it again. I'm using Royal Talens acrylic paint on the gel plate, and when you are going to paint on your plate, you need to have everything backwards. So the outlines and the detail had to be on the plate first before I added any color. I'm drying the outline before I add paint over it because I didn't want to smear the paint. And I got a little bit extra on there. This is something that is a bonus using the gel plate. All you have to do is wet it and it'll come right up. Now I'm going to add a little bit of color to the lips. And then once that dries, I'm going to add the background for the face and then the background for the background. And you don't even have to follow the lines very closely because the outline is already there. Now I'm going to just do like a little bit of a light blue around the bottom and then white across the top. And then a little bit of white over the whole thing, and I will pull up the print after I do a little bit of design stenciling, which don't really show that much in the print. And then this is what it looks like. Then I added a little bit of outline with some all pencil from Stabilo. And now I'm grabbing a marker pen from Amsterdam, an acrylic marker pen. And I'm doing some doodles over the gel print in different colors in the marker pen. Now I'm using a brush pen, the Ecoline brush pen, also from Royal Talens. So this is another doodle, and on this one I'm being a little bit more clean with my lines, and I'm not going as wild and crazy. I'm using the same products. I'm starting with the Royal Talens acrylic paint, and I'm adding a little bit of color to the lips on this one. So because I'm still experimenting, I wasn't sure what it was going to look like with the color on the face first. So I thought I'd just try it in a couple spots and then see how that turned out. And then I'm lifting up the plate every now and then to see what it looks like from the other side. I wanted the eyes to have the white in the inside of the eyes, and I wanted to have some shading on there. And now I'm going to add in the face background and then the actual background. And the stenciling does show up more on this one. And then after I pulled the print up, then I did more of the doodles with the pens that I used earlier. Added some detail, added a little bit of hair in. Then added more with other colors of the acrylic markers. And now using the brush pens. And that gave the color of the skin tone that I wanted. But I felt like her hair was just, it made it look like she was kind of bald. So I went back with the acrylic paint and added in thicker hair. Then I used the Brutus Monroe Homegrown Happiness stamp set on an existing print. And then I cut it out. And I added a 3D Zot to the back of it and put that in her hair to give her a little bit of design in her hair. And this is what it looked like when it was done.